Cold outside. How you liking it?
Cold outside. I personally like it because everybody knows that your girl's from up north. But okay, so our farmers though,
Yeah.
not necessarily fans because they deal with the freeze and the frost. I don't know if there's a difference between the two.
Yes, there is. And
Okay.
With the potential of frost tomorrow morning and Monday morning, we're going to talk about that right now. So follow me on over here to the BAM, the big monitor, and we're going to talk about how does frost form? Okay, so we measure the temperature of the atmosphere at meters about 5 feet off the ground. And remember, that cold air, even the cold air within that cold air, sinks to the surface. And so now the ground is frozen, say at 32 degrees. So now we've got water molecules in the atmosphere. They condense. They fall down to the ground. They attach to the grass or the flowers or the shrubs or whatever may be there. And that's how frost forms. Some favorable conditions, which we are going to have overnight tonight and tomorrow night as well. Look at this, clear skies, light winds. Today we're not worried about frost, or this morning we weren't worried about frost. It's very windy out there. We've got gusts to nearly 30 miles an hour. But tomorrow it's another story. Clear skies, light winds, moisture in the air, temperatures in the 30s, and moisture on the ground. And that's all going to happen overnight tonight and tomorrow night as well. All right, let's take it over to the weather board. I'm going to show you some currents right now. Here's a nice picture of Wyndham Grand Clearwater Beach there. Look at the chop out on the Gulf today. 6 to 8 foot waves. Not the day to be out on the Gulf of Mexico. With gusts at about 30 miles an hour and the chop 6 to 8 feet. Not a great boating today. 46 degrees currently out at Clearwater Beach. Dew points at 32 degrees, freezing dew points. But dew points are going to even drop further as this cold air mass over us really dries us out. So here's your headlines. I don't need to tell you this. It's cold this morning. But guess what? Colder tomorrow morning. And a chance at frost and freeze stays with us through Sunday and Monday mornings as well. There's the live radar. We had a little moisture push into Pinellas, northern Hillsborough County, even through the downtown area. Now it's even exiting out of the Bradenton, Sarasota area as we speak. It's all dissipating and drying up. All of this has moved out now and through the area. As we back out, though, you can see that moisture field, how it's dissipating. Backing out even further, I'll show you the setup. We've got high pressure building into our north. That clockwise rotation of that high is giving us northerly winds, cold northerly winds pushing into the Tampa Bay area. And that's what's prompted the wind chill advisories. We've got those going till 9 o'clock. We've got freeze watches through Sunday morning, possibly Monday morning as well. Frost advisories to our south. Those are going to change. Those are going to be up north for later on tonight. But as we put Futurecast into motion, you can see the cloudy conditions along the coast this morning are going to clear out nicely. We're not going to see a cloud in the sky today. It's actually going to be a beautiful day on the cool side, but nonetheless, very clear. I'll let it run all the way through to tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Not a cloud in the sky again. And that's where the trouble starts settling in with regard to the frost. Winds are going to be much lighter tomorrow. And we could see that happen fairly readily. Look at this. Forecast daytime highs today. Low to mid 50s all across the board. And then overnight lows tonight, look at Crystal River, look at Brooksville, look at places like Polk City and Lakeland and Bartow, right on the cusp of freezing overnight tonight, and the dew points are going to plummet. All right, real quick, here's your 7-day forecast for you. We're talking about the breezy conditions throughout the day today, 55 for today's daytime high. This chance of rain is about gone now. That icon will change shortly. 60 tomorrow, and then on Monday for the Bucks game, about 61 by the time kickoff happens, 67 degrees for a daytime high on Monday. Angelina?